Martini glass. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. Here we're gonna make a kamikaze. We're gonna take your vodka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna take your triple sec. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna take your lime juice. Ice. A little bit of orange juice for flavor and color. That's not what everybody does. I do. And then a little dash of simple syrup. And then we strain into a martini glass. Garnish with an orange slice. And we made it extra special for Brashana's birthday.